Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna noodle salad, full guide. Gather ingredients today: cooked noodles, canned tuna, mayonnaise, vegetables, and seasonings. Begin by cooling noodles and flaking tuna, then mix with dressing and chill for flavors to meld. I'll share easy swaps for lighter or creamier textures, timing tips to avoid sogginess, and how to scale portions For the dressing, start with a base of mayonnaise and add mustard, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Whisk until smooth and taste as you go, adding a splash of pickle juice or vinegar for brightness if you like. I'll guide you through thinning the dressing for a lighter salad or thickening it for creamy texture. These small tweaks make the salad sing without complicating the recipe. Gently fold noodles, tuna, and vegetables with the dressing to avoid breaking noodles and to coat everything evenly. Chill the salad at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and the texture firms up for serving. I'll explain portioning tips for picnics versus family meals and quick garnishes that add color and flavor without fuss. This approach keeps the salad fresh, flavorful, and ready for plates or meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.